Greetings, young persons of great value. I'm sorry I'm not at school today. I don't know where I am. I think I may be in Mexico and I won the lottery and I'm buying a villa, more likely sick, possibly jury duty. Anyway, I'm not there and I've left a little lesson for you. We're going to show it here on the video. And oh, by the way, be nice to the sub. You're always nice, but be extra special nice today. So, hey, thanks for watching this. I'll lead you through the assignment. It will be graded when I get back, so do your best work. Well, heck, let's get started. As always, we've got some definitions. Oh, by the way, this is worth 10 points. So tell me what a square is, or draw me a picture. Make sure you indicate that all the sides are the same. Draw a rectangle, indicates that all four corners are right angles. Tell me the difference in length and width. Tell me what's meant by area. I'll help you out. Area is the squarea part you stand on, and the perimeter is base times height. And what's perimeter? That's the fence, and the formula is side plus side plus side plus side. So get all that written down. Stop the video till we go to the next part, and then I'll give you some more instructions. Okie dokie, you're going to draw a fence. You're going to draw some rectangles on another piece of paper, and you're going to find the perimeter in the area. Actually, the perimeter will always be 22. And you're going to put it on this chart right over here. So we're going to flip pages in just a second, and you're going to draw rectangles that are, I did the first one for you, actually. It's 1 by 10, and then 2 by 9, and 3 by 8, then 4 by 7, and 5 by 6. And when you've done all that, then you'll come back and put the information on the chart. So let's go look at what are these rectangles you're going to make. So you're going to draw 5 rectangles. I already did the first one for you, actually, so I guess you'll draw 4. It's 1 by 10, which means the perimeter is 22. This one's 2 by 9, still a perimeter of 22. 3 by 8, and so on, and 4 by 7, and 5 by 6. Once you've drawn each rectangle, and you don't need to cover them unless the sub wants to kill some time, and I don't blame them, that's okay. But you do need to figure out the area, and that's pretty simple. 3 times 8 is 24, 4 times 7 is 28, 5 times 6 is 30, and go back and enter all that on the chart. Okay, when you think you've got that done, start the video and check your work. So your chart should look like this, if you did it correctly. So the area should be 10, 18, 24, 28, and 30. Great. Okay, let's go to page 46 and take the data you put on the chart and put the area down. So for the 1 by 10 rectangle, the area was 10 square inches. So put a dot right there. And then go to the 2 by 9 and you will put a dot at 22, and so on till you have filled in all the dots. So stop the video. Now that you're done, let's look at your graph. If you lay a straight edge on there, it's not quite linear. It's actually got a little curve to it. So go ahead and kind of pencil in that curve. And when you've got that done, stop the video and we'll take a look at what you've accomplished so far. Well, gosh, I hope you came up with a square house is more efficient than a rectangular house. People used to build square houses all the time, but they didn't like them very much because all 3 or 4 bedrooms were upstairs, 1 bathroom. Nobody had any privacy. Everybody knew everything. There were a couple of reasons they built square houses. They were more efficient for materials, and they were easier to heat with the lousy heating systems that they had back in the day. Okay, you got the square house. Now think on it. If a square house is the most efficient, what would be more efficient than that? So as it turns out, a circle would be the most efficient house. You would get 38 square feet with just 22 feet of walls on the outside. Yeah, so why don't people build round houses? Well, lumber comes in straight pieces. That's a problem. Number 2, there's no corners for the furniture. And number 3, it's really hard to put a roof on a round house that doesn't leak. So anyway, that's just a little comparison of shape and perimeter. It's kind of interesting. Hey, there you go, guys. Just a simple little experiment, but you know, math can be kind of interesting. So I'm going to leave you with this one thought till I get back. What would be more efficient? than a round house. Huh. See you soon.